It's the most fantastical, folly-filled event of the spring. The Menagerie in Motion Kinetic Derby is quickly becoming the human-powered alternative to the UF Homecoming Parade, and you can be a part of the fun. Here's your opportunity to build your own entry and show off your skills with family, friends, or your organization. With teams as few as 2 or as many as 12, the only thing limiting you is your imagination, and we can help you get started. Follow this link to receive information on upcoming informational and brainstorming sessions and join our mailing list. While you're there, join us on social media. Plus, subscribe and ring the bell for YouTube notifications to see the latest videos and gain new inspirational ideas. The Derby will be here before you know it, so get started now. Build a team to build your dream.